Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding with Pravin, and today we are diving into a fun little Java challenge, reversing the words in Hello World. Let's see how to reverse the words in Hello World. Not just reversing whole sentence, we'll reverse each word individually to get something like this. It sounds like cool, right? Let's break it down step by step. Grab your notebook. So let's see. Alright, here our starting point, the phrase Hello World. Well, treat this as string in Java. First, let's define our input. We'll write its code at end. So let's understand it on Notepad first. So this is our original string and it's what we'll work with. We need to split the phrase into two parts, hello and word. In Java there is simple method called split. This splits hello, comma, word. Now we can process the each word separately. For this we'll use something called StringBuilder. Here's the fun part. Reversing each word, for this we'll use something called StringBuilder. And think of it like magic toolbox for strings. And if you don't know what is string builder, understand it first, then we'll see. So string builder in Java is a mutable class used efficiently create, modify and manipulate strings with method like append and reverse and toString. If you don't understood when I will write a code, you will understand definitely. We loop through each word in array and we are putting this in array. For every word we will create string builder object and then we'll call the reverse method to flip the words. Then we will add the reverse word to our result followed by the space. And in fourth step we'll finally print our result, but there might be a extra space at the end, so we'll use trim. And if you don't know what is trim, in Java the trim method is used to remove leading and traveling white space tabs, etc. For a string, leave the core text unchanged. It's handy for cleaning up input or output. So that's it, and let's see a code of it. Here we input hello world and then store this string into this array and then we split it with the split function by using string builder. We already talked about what is string builder. For every word we created string builder object, we call the reverse method, where here we call the reverse method, then reverse word to our result followed by space. In this for loop, what we did is we reverse word one by one and then finally we print our result, but there might be extra space at the end. That's why we removed the space by using this trim function. And that's it. And let's now run it. Let's see what will happen. And here we go, that reversed as we want it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep practicing. Thank you.